Good morning. Myself Heisenberg. How may I help you?
Show me top 5 news.
Showing top 5 news of today. Breaking news live updates. Vijay moves resolution against farm laws in special assembly session. Kong among Opn suggests 3 amendments. News 18. COVID-19 vaccine distribution focuses on 65 plus population. ABC Action News. Market live updates. Indices trade flat with Nifty around 13,950. ONGC, ICICI Bank top gainers. Moneycontrol.com. My top 5 phones of 2020. George, GSMArena.com News, GSMArena.com. Night curfew in Delhi today, tomorrow to restrict New Year celebrations. NDTV.
Shut down.
Shutting down.